Hey there, in this video we are going to display uploaded user audio records, and also we're going to fix another problem that arose when we started to deal with file upload. Let's navigate back to the code and let's open message item, the place where we render our element. So here we check against content file type. So let's add another if statement over here, and we're gonna check against audios. So we're gonna ask if file content type includes audio. So if this is the case, we're gonna return an audio element. So for this audio, we will be able to use controls, and also let's put source element. It is going to be a self-closing element. Source is going to be file.url, and type is going to be audio mp3. And if this is not supported by the browser, then we're gonna display your browser does not support the audio element. Okay, and let's remove audio from here. And now we have this ESLint warning: media elements such as an audio must have a track for captions. That's fine, but we don't have any captions. That's why we need to disable this warning. Let's do that. Let's save it, and let's move this suppressor. Now we can see that we have this track, so we can play it. I can hear my voice, so it is actually working. And that's it for audio messages. It was pretty simple, right? Now about other problem that arose when we started to deal with file upload. When we delete the last message or one of the messages with files, then we only delete message inside the database, but file from the storage is not being deleted. What I mean is that let me try and delete this audio message. So if I delete that one, then I go to storage, I refresh it, I can see it is still there. To fix that, we need to fix our code. So let's navigate back to index.js inside messages, the place where we delete our messages. So this is handle delete function. So here we need to somehow also perform file deletion. How we're able to do that? So inside message item, when we call, let's find it, when we call handle delete, we pass message ID. However, we don't know whether this message has a file or it is just a text message. So let's also put file to this handle delete function. So now we know that if there is any file. So inside handle delete, we will also receive file. And right after we delete message inside database, we can also put another try catch block over here, and we can do the next thing. So if we have file, then we will put this try catch block here inside, and we're gonna first grab the reference to that file inside Firebase storage. So we can call, let's say, file ref, we can call await storage, then reference from URL. And does it return promise or not? No, it seems like not. So reference from URL, and then we're gonna specify file.url. Then we can simply call fileref.delete. So this is definitely going to be a promise. And in case of any error, we're gonna specify alert error. And here is a very important moment to catch. Let's imagine we're deleting the message and this fails. So if that one fails, this will try and delete the message. So to make sure that if this fails, the next code will also fail, we need to return from this catch block whenever we have an error. So now we have this async error function expected no return value. We can actually suppress the ESLint warning for the entire file, and now it looks fine. So let's first manually delete this audio message that we recorded, and if I try and delete the latest message over here, if I delete it, message has been deleted. And if I look inside my database, I have 2 images, but if I refresh, now I have only 1. So everything was successfully fixed. Okay, now let's commit our changes. Let's put git everything, then git commit. Let's say displayed audio messages and fix file deletion when message is being deleted. All right, perfect. See you in the next one.